Happy morning, viewers. This is the document you have to see, and in this it is having very good information on our technology. So this is National Award winning innovation. This is National Award winning innovation, Kamma Gear Flywheel Power Generation Technology. So in this we are showing you the concept of Kamma Gear Flywheel. The technology is revolving on diameter, RPM and weight. So this technology is having the rotational energy, the kinetic energy, the inertia, the twisting turning force. The concept of flywheel is to harvest the stored energy in the rotations of the flywheel. The stored energy is fixed inside the rotations of the flywheel. So we have written a letter to Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi ji. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Damodar Das Modi ji took the he has done something wonderful to the nation, and he has taken the time to send this file to the Ministry of Power. We have written the letter dated 3rd May 2000, that is 2018, 2018. 2018 we have taken the letter to Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi ji. So he is our Prime Minister, and we have couriered this through DTDC, and we have received the reply from the Prime Minister's office. Okay, we have received the reply from the Prime Minister's office stating that the Prime Minister Sir has taken this opportunity to introduce the battery, the flywheel as the mechanical battery. The mechanical battery is comprising of flywheel, pump storage and compressed air. So all the three technologies we have discussed in detail with MNRE in 2016 officially. So after that the MNRE has made the amendment, national amendment. This is the national amendment. So this national amendment is having the flywheel. So here you can see the restricted usage of other forms of storage such as pump hydro, compressed air, flywheel, etc. under the hybrid policy. To broaden the definition of storage, the word battery is removed from relevant clause. So the ministry has added flywheel, compressed air and pumped hydro as the mechanical batteries in place of chemical batteries. So this is signed by G. Upadhyay, Director. So in this way the MNRE passed an amendment on 13th August 2018. So like this we are taking you back to the technology part. So here we are showing you the exact phenomena, how the flywheel is rotated and energy is stored. So in this way the four batteries which are there are connected to each other in series. So in this way the battery with the negative, that is the area which is negative is connected, and the area which is positive is connected on both the sides. So one side it is negative and another side it is positive. So in between these two batteries there are another two batteries, so totally four batteries are there. So these four batteries are connected in series. So these four batteries are connected in series, and when we are connecting these 4 batteries with each other. So the energy which is flowing from one battery to the other battery is supporting the DC inflow of the energy through the controller. This is the DC controller, and it is going to the DC motor. The motor is DC, direct current. So this direct current motor is having the controller, where the controller controls the energy coming from the 4 batteries, and which will minimize the energy which is coming inside. And through the MCB, what we are having, this is the MCB connected to the motor. This is the DC motor. The DC motor is connected through a timer pulley. The timer pulley is having a timer belt. The timer belt is connected to the pulley of the shaft of the flywheel. This is the flywheel. The flywheel is having the diameter, RPM and weight. So this flywheel is in turn connected to the generator. This is the generator. This generator is having AC current. This is 3-phase. The 3-phase AC current is there. So this is 440 volt. So in this 440 volt, we are having the RPM as 1500. In 1500, the generator generates energy, enough magnetic flux is formed, and this energy is transferred through the MCB to the 3-phase submersible pump. This is the submersible pump. So this pump is having 5 liters per second, and this pump is having 24 meter head, and this is the load what we are going to show you. So in this way, the load is 3-phase submersible pump, 5 HP. So this process now we are going to start. So we will be first switching on the MCB. So as soon as we switch on the MCB, now the flywheel is rotated. The flywheel starts rotating, and within 1 minute of time it reaches 1500 RPM. In 1 minute of time it will reach 1500 RPM, and this will give you enough energy. This will give the kinetics, the twisting turning force to the generator, and the generator shaft is getting rotated, connected to the flywheel shaft. So this is the international coupling, and the flywheel is rotated, and the generator shaft is rotating the rotor of the generator. Thereby the 1500 RPM is achieved. Once the 1500 RPM is achieved, then we will be taking the load, the generated energy, the flux, the magnetic flux is formed inside the generator. We will be taking the generated energy through the MCB into the submersible pump. So now we are switching on the submersible pump. See, you can see there is no water here. There is no water now. Now when we on it, now we are oning the MCB. Okay, we are oning the MCB, and you can see the water getting discharged. This is 5 HP. This is 5 HP, and this is having the, see, you can see the flywheel is getting rotated. The flywheel is getting rotated, and the submersible pump is also running on 4 batteries. kinetics, the energy of the flywheel is getting harvested by making the pump rotate, and you can see it is 5 liters per second, 5 liters per second, and here it is getting decelerated. The acceleration and deceleration. Our technology works on acceleration and deceleration. So acceleration, if the energy point of input is 10 seconds, the output point is 3 minutes for a 200 kilogram flywheel. Suppose if this is 6 meters in dia and 300 tons of weight, then it will give you 100% 1 hour of free energy. Absolutely free energy. In this way, this pump, which is pumping the water, and the flywheel is getting rotated by itself because of the kinetics, because of the moment of inertia, because of the thing. So now this thing is giving you the acceleration. Now once again we will switch on the MCB, and once again the flywheel is getting accelerated. See, you can hear the voice, the acceleration voice, you can hear. Yes. So in this way, this is getting accelerated. When this is getting accelerated, it is storing the rotational energy. When this is having 1500 RPM, the twisting turning force, the inertia inside the flywheel is getting harvested through the generator, and the generated energy is supplied to the submersible pump. So this is a submersible pump, and with this submersible pump we are making 5 HP to operate on just 4 batteries. These are the 4 batteries we are having, and these 4 batteries are getting operated in this technology. So once again we will switch off the MCB. We will switch off the MCB. So as soon as we switched off the MCB, now we will be switching on the. So now you can see, after switching on the MCB, the flywheel is rotating and the pump is also getting rotated. So in this way, the energy what is there inside the flywheel is getting harvested into the kinetics. That is, the stored energy is getting harvested. So in this way, we are making the energy free. E is equal to gamma mc square. So gamma is the most important thing, where E is equal to energy. E is energy, m is mass. So in front of m, if we have the gamma, so the gamma is the electromechanical force which is driving the mass, thereby the energy is getting released from the mass. So this is called Kamma-Gear flywheel. So we are showing you the generation of the energy, the generated energy through the operation of the flywheel. Thank you.